The tour now pauses beside a gleaming, newly installed conveyor. Henry Ford, ever the tinkerer, studies the mechanisms with a practiced eye. Kiichiro Toyoda, drawing inspiration from both his father's looms and Ford's own assembly lines, gestures for Ford to observe the synchronized dance of man and machine. Ford grinning, voice echoing.
Now here's something I recognize. When we put in the moving assembly line back in Highland Park, it was all about bringing the work to the worker, not the other way around. That chain conveyor changed everything. We went from 12 hours to just 90 minutes to build a Model T. And the secret? Standardized parts, division of labor, and a relentless focus on speed.
Toyoda nodding, eyes bright.
Your innovation was truly revolutionary, Mr. Ford. We studied your methods closely, but we also saw the potential for machines to do more than just move the product. My father's automatic loom could stop itself if a thread broke, jidoka, we call it. It's automation with a human touch, machines that not only work but also detect problems and halt production before defects multiply.
Ford raising an eyebrow.
Machines that stop themselves? In Detroit, we built specialized machines, screwdrivers, stamping presses, all designed to make the job faster and easier for the worker. By the 1950s, our plants were filled with automatic conveyance systems and transfer machines, all linked up to reduce the need for human handling. But we always kept the line moving. Stopping the line, well, that was a last resort.
True, but we believe in building quality into the process. If something goes wrong, the machine or the worker can stop the line using an andon cord. That way we fix the root cause immediately, not after hundreds of cars are built with the same flaw.
Ford thoughtful.
I see the logic. In my day, speed was king. But as our machines got smarter, we found that automation could do more than just speed things up. It could make things safer, more accurate, and even cheaper in the long run.
Enthusiastic.
Exactly. We strive for continuous flow, machines arranged by process, each part moving smoothly from one step to the next with minimal waiting or waste. And with just-in-time delivery, the machines only work when the next process is ready, reducing overproduction and inventory.
Ford smiling, offering a handshake.
Well, Mr. Toyoda, it seems we both believe in the power of machines, just with a different philosophy. You see automation as a partner in quality, not just quantity. Maybe that's the next great leap.
Toyoda shaking Ford's hand.
Thank you, Mr. Ford. Your moving line taught us the value of flow. We hope our approach, automation with a human touch, will build on your legacy, making cars better for everyone, everywhere.
Their handshake marks a symbolic passing of the torch, from Ford's relentless drive for mass production and mechanization to Toyota's vision of automation that empowers both machines and people to build ever better cars.